Here are 7 ways to get free USDC on AirTM. I already received almost $90 worth of USDC on this platform. This is over $18 USDC received. This is $12 USDC received. This is $14.8 worth of USDC, $4 USDC received, $3 USDC received, and so many more. Look at them. But what is USDC all about? USDC implies USD coin. 1 USDC is equal to $1. This is USD coin on the exchange. It is issued by a company called Circle. They have over 26 billion in circulation as at the time of this video. The good news is that this is available for everyone. It is worldwide. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. But what is AirTM all about? How do you get USDC for free on AirTM? AirTM is the world's most connected digital dollar platform with over 400 different ways to buy and sell digital dollars. You can see AirTM is incorporated in the United States and registered with FinCEN as a money service business company. The first major way to get free USDC on AirTM is to do activities with AirTM partners. The first of the AirTM partners is Freecash. You can see with 1 to 2 hours a day, you'll be able to make over $50 per day with Freecash. I did a full video of Freecash. The link of the video will come out here. That video will help you. The next great partner of AirTM that will earn you a lot of USDC is SproutGigs. With minimum of 20 hours per week, you'll be able to get $50 worth of USDC every week working on this platform. I've done multiple withdrawals on SproutGigs using AirTM. The link of a video will come out here. That video will take you through my proof of earnings on this platform. Timebox is another great platform that's partnered with AirTM. With 20 hours weekly working on Timebox, you'll be able to make $1 to $10 per day. Another platform that's partnered with AirTM that will help you get free USDC is Remotask. All you need is 20 hours every week on Remotask to earn dollars of worth of USDC. Neoboss is another platform that's partnered with AirTM that will help you get free USDC on AirTM. With 20 hours per week, you'll be able to make between $3 to $5 worth of USDC on Neoboss. 2Capture is another partner of AirTM that will earn you free USDC on AirTM. All you need is 40 hours every week and you'll be able to make between $1 to $10 worth of USDC every day. Get Paid is another platform. With 1 to 2 hours every day, you'll be able to get between $10 to $20 worth of USDC every day. I did a comprehensive review of AirTM partners. That is 5 solid websites that will pay you via AirTM. The link of the video will come out here. You can check out that video. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. You will have access to a free gift of $1 from AirTM when you use that link. You will see the links to access all the partners of AirTM that will help you earn free USDC below the description of this video. All you need to do is to sign up and start working on those platforms. Another great way to get USDC for free is to complete simple tasks and you earn a lot and very fast. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. Like this task, all you need to do to partake of this 50 USDC is to share the launch of this program here now on your social media platform. This is another add, withdraw and win. This is another one you get rewarded for your help and you can get part of this reward of USDC. This one too, clicking this place will take you step by step of what to do to take part in this free 100 USDC reward. You can see this is another task that worth 200 USDC. This is another task that worth 250 USDC. This is another task that worth 250 USDC. This is another one 100 USDC. This is another one that worth 250 USDC, and so on and so forth. All you need to do is to follow the instruction and you'll be able to get part of this free USDC as offered on this platform. Thank you. Another way to access AirTM free USDC is to become an AirTM cashier. Top 1,000 AirTM cashier make over 750 USDC every month. That is, you'll be able to do P2P transaction for people that need your local currency for your country. You'll be able to collect their USDC and you give them the local currency in your country by transferring to their account. And for people that need USDC, they will part with the local currency of your country by transferring to your account, and automatically this platform will release to them USDC that you already have with the platform. It is called P2P transaction. The condition to become a cashier on AirTM is very simple. You open and verify your AirTM account and you wait for 3 days to start transacting on the platform. Thank you. Another way to get free USDC on AirTM is through monthly promotions that reward users. If you are very active on this platform, just as a cashier, you can get a price that is ranging between 10 to 500 USDC for free on this platform. The more transaction you accept, the more chances you have to win. You will see the link below the description of this video. As soon as you sign up, you'll be able to know the conditions to take part on these activities that will earn you free USDC. This is another monthly rewards that you can partake in. AirTM will offer you 1% annual fee reward that is paid monthly in USDC. All you need to do is to hold your USDC to be very active on the platform, and you'll be open in monthly rewards and give away promotions on the platform. Thank you. You can also get free USDC on AirTM through AirTM loyalty program. This loyalty program will help you accumulate points for every of your activities on the platform. Look at it. Start accumulating points every month. For every $50 USDC you earn on the platform, you'll be getting 1 point. For $100 USDC that you get and you spend on AirTM directory, you will earn 1 point. For every 4 transactions that you send out of the platform, you earn 0.5 points. For every of your friends and family members you invite on your social media platforms, you earn 3 points. All these points will qualify you for rewards and promotion at the end of every month, and that will earn you more free USDC. Thank you. Another great way to get free USDC on AirTM is to become an AirTM ambassador. When you become AirTM ambassador, you become the platform's voice. It is so easy to become one. All you need to do is to have a verified account. Ensure you add funds to your account at least once through P2P network and you make your withdrawal. Ensure you have 5 people already invited to the platform with their account verified, and they must have added funds to their account also at least once. If you can meet that condition, there are many benefits for that. You'll be able to take part in exclusive promotions that will earn you huge USDC every day. So what are you waiting for? Use the link below the description of this video, sign up, get a free $1 gift and start earning free USDC on AirTM. Thank you. Another way to earn free USDC is through invite and win on AirTM. You can see invite your friends and you'll be able to unlock amazing benefits. All you need to do is to share your invitation link on your social media platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can see you'll be able to get free USDC reward for yourself and for the person that you are inviting. You can see you'll be able to participate in monthly giveaways that are worth 2,500 USDC. So this is one way to earn free USDC on AirTM platform. Thank you. As soon as you accumulate your USDC, you can add funds from your local bank. You can convert your gift cards to USDC and transfer money from Payoneer, from Skrill, from Payer, from Neteller, from eBay, gift cards. All you just need to do is to click here to browse. For instance, if it is gift cards, you type gift cards, you scroll down, you see Amazon, Airbnb. Both digital and physical card can be converted easily on this platform. These are Amazon gift cards for different countries. You will also see other gift cards like eBay, Fortnite, Google Play, iTunes, Kmart, and so on and so forth, including popular Steam cards. I've done several videos of how to convert your gift cards on this platform. The link of a video will come out here. Try to watch that video. You see how to sell your gift cards on this platform. You can also withdraw your USDC funds. After you must have accumulated enough, you can withdraw to your local bank. All you need to do is to browse here and select your bank. You click Nigeria bank. You have option to transfer your funds to your local currency or your local USD account via P2P, and you will get your money instantly. I did a video of how to achieve that. The link of the video will come out here. Ensure you watch this video to the end. Thank you. You now know 7 ways to get free USDC on AirTM. All you need to do is to start claiming your stable crypto for free. You have nothing to lose. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video to sign up to AirTM. When you do that, you are going to get a gift of $1 from AirTM. Please do me a favor, like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. The next video you need to watch right now is this. It is about top 5 crypto mining apps that you must have on your phone. Those apps will help you to get top cryptos that you can easily turn to money on your phone. It is free. You have nothing to lose. Then this video will take you through 9 apps that will help you earn passively. That is, you don't need to do anything, no work and no investment. Ensure you watch those 2 videos. Don't forget to drop your comments. Please like this video and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.